The background you see on this very video is actually fake. Now, let me show you the original video and so you see how my background actually look like. The background you see on this very video is actually fake. With the help of AI, you can actually create realistic background. So you don't need to start worrying about, I don't have a good background to shoot your video, I don't have a good background to do this and do that. So with the help of AI, you have no limitation right now. All you need to do is shoot your video and let AI transform your background into a good background. So have you ever wondered how people get such kind of beautiful background where they shoot their videos, this and that and this? I will be explaining to you practically step by step how you can actually change the background of any video you shoot. All you just need to do is make sure your video have good quality, you have a good camera, and that is it. Now for this very tutorials, you can use your mobile phone and you can use your laptop. I'm going to be using my laptop to demonstrate to you step by step how you can achieve this exactly professional AI generated background and start using it on all your videos across all your social media platforms, be it TikTok, be it YouTube, be it Facebook, and be it IG, including Twitter. So it is easy. It is just few steps you need to take. The first step you need to take is just for you to shoot your video. Now for the record, you need good lighting. Hey, if you don't have money for your lighting, don't worry. Just go close to your window. The light that comes from your window is original light. You can actually make use of those lights. But if you have the resources to afford a good light, go get a good light. Now, after shooting this video, we are going to download an application called VidMix. Yes, and we are going to use a website called firefly.adobe that is powered by Adobe. That's what we are going to use. And finally, we go to CapCut and we edit our video. So sit down and relax as I take you on a journey where you can achieve good AI generated background for your videos. I'll be making this kind of tutorials in my next video. So if you don't want to miss out from this kind of video, just do me a favor, smash the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so that you'll be first to receive alert whenever I release videos like this. Go to the comment section, ask your question, drop a comment. Now your comment actually keeps me going and keeps creating more educational videos like this. Let's go to our PC. The first thing is shoot your video. Then after shooting your video, edit your video on your editing software like CapCut. Then once you are done, click on your VidMix app. Open your VidMix app. Now, if you are using a mobile phone, all you need to do is just click on the canvas and choose ratio 9:16. So I'm using laptop. I will not choose that. Then I'll just cancel. Then once you are here, just upload your video. Click on the open file. Then upload your video. Now your video is going to load. After that, we are going to export this very scene you are seeing. So all you need to do is just click on this very export button there. This very scene, we are going to export it. Click on the export button and choose PNG, then click on OK. So we are going to make use of what we just downloaded here. So the next thing, we'll go to Google and we'll go to our firefly.adobe.com. Yeah, firefly.adobe.com. Come to this place, create an account, log in, then scroll down and click on this generate field. Click on generate. Now once you are here, upload your image that we just downloaded the previous time. Now we have two buttons here, insert and remove. So now we are going to click on insert. If you want to click on insert here, so if you want to add something, maybe an object, you just click on that insert, then just clean the area you want to paste your graphics or your design. So I'm just going to highlight the area. I want to put my graphics, as you can see. So I'll just click on that place and I make sure I clean everything from there. Now after clicking everything, you click on this place where you see add. Then we are going to add a prompt. Now you see this place they wrote prompt, so that's where you're going to put your prompt, but I've already copied my prompt. I'm just going to paste it on this very place I copied my prompt. So I'll just paste, you just put your prompt there, then you click on generate. So once you click on generate, it's going to generate different kind of design that can fit in that very place. So I'll just hit on generate and wait for the AI to generate the object that I just released, the object that I just used the prompt. Now it generated this. I don't like this very first option, so I'll just go to the next option. I'll click that arrow so that it can take me to the other option, which is this place. Okay, I think this is good. I think okay, this is better. So you just make selection of any one you like, if it is the first one or the second one. Then the next thing, you just click on keep. If you want this very well, okay, like this one is okay. I think I prefer this. Okay, I'll just click on keep. So once you click on keep, you can clean this other aspect and generate another prompt again to fill in that very place. So I'll just clean this place. I want to put maybe like a bookshelf or so. I want to put something like a bookshelf. Then I'll just clean it and I'll go and click my prompt and I'll paste the same prompt. So I'll just paste the same prompt and generate and see. I don't like this. No, it's not fun. It's not fine. So I'll just cancel. Let me just cancel. Then let me just type something bookshelf. A bookshelf with black and white color. Let's see what it will generate for us. No, this is not a bookshelf. I'll just cancel. Okay, let's just do something like a bookshelf. Let's just type a bookshelf. I think just a bookshelf is okay. A bookshelf. Then let me generate. Let's see what it will generate for us. Oh, perfect. I think this is beautiful. Okay, let me choose the second one. Yeah, this is okay. Let me see the third one. No, this is not bookshelf. Let's use the second one. Okay, this is perfect. Then what we're just going to do, we're just going to hit on keep. Yeah, so I love this. I'll just hit on keep and download. Is that okay? So now once you download this very one, the next thing we want to do is go back to our vidme's app. Yeah, we'll go back to our vidme's app. Now click on the open file and open that very one we downloaded. Just open it. You see it will replace it. Now if I try to play this, I'll teach you how to remove this Adobe Fly logo. Now if I try to play this video, you see it will be talking but I will not move. Let me just play it so that you see what I'm talking about. Now you see that I am not moving because I did not clear the path. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to clear this middle side. I'm going to brush it like kind of a blend. All right, so look at this tool here that is called brush. Now click on the brush and begin to clean. Can you see? So just clean the part. Just clean the part so that it will align our video like this. Yeah. So you just make sure that you trace everything correctly. Just make sure you trace. Then you can now clean this Adobe file and just brush it like this so that you can have a very cool design. Is that okay? So this is what you just do, and everything is simple. Everything is simple. This is what you just do. So now after cleaning it, you just play and see. Now you see that everything is moving perfectly right now. Oh, now look at that head. Let me come back. When I move the head, look at that edge. You see that I did not blend it. Let me play it. Did you observe it? So now I'm going to blend it. So you make sure that you play everything to the end so that you follow up everything. The goal is to have a very good job and a clean job so that it won't be traceable that you used AI. Is that okay? Because we actually need a good background, so we are going to clean and make sure everything is clean. Then if you are sure that okay, it is clean, you click on export, you drag it to 20 and you click on OK. So you just export it. Is that okay? You just export your work and you are done. So this is how you get a beautiful background. You can play with the color stability, the smoothness, the size, and everything. So you can just play with it. And after you've cleaned and you know, okay, you are satisfied with everything, then the next thing, just export your project and you are done with your beautiful work. So no longer will you be saying, I don't have this, I don't have that, I don't have this. No. Now you now have a way for you to create a background. Is that okay? I hope you found value in this video. If you do, please smash the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, go to the comment section, drop your comment. It is your comment that will jam me to create more videos like this. I will see you in my next video.